Mabuhay ang Agila!
Mabuhay!
Isa pa, NCR 20, nakalimutan ko.
Yan.
Mabuhay ang NCR 20!
Mabuhay!
About 2 to 3 months ago, nag-decide kami together with EJ Tomas regarding na to put up a new club.
Ginagawa namin ang Kuya Bong kasi kasama ko si Kuya Bong talaga kahit saan kami magpunta.
Una, ang ginawa namin, United Pililla Eagles Club. Sinabi namin, parang isa lang. Ang purpose kasi, ang objective kasi, i-unite namin ang nasa Pililla.
Good afternoon. Ako nga po pala si Kuya Pres Monico ng Sandugo Titanium Eagles Club. Nung time na tumawag si Kuya Bong, plano niyang magbuo ng club. Then, nagtanong siya ng advice kung paano daw bubuuin. Sinabi ko na kumbaga kailangan natin ng 25 members para mabuo ang isang club.
Good day po mga kuya, ate, Friends of Eagles. Ako po ang inyong tagapaglingkod, Kuya Tata Boy. Narito kami ngayon sa Third Eye Initiation ng ORMEC, ang United Rizaleños Mabalasik Eagles Club. Kuya Bong, Masambay, Kuya Pres, soon to be members ng United Rizaleños Mabalasik Eagles Club. Congratulations. Mabuhay po kayo. Once again, this is Kuya Tata Boy of NCR 20 Mabalasik Club de Siol. Buhay Agila.
The sun rose over the valley for the first time in a while. It feels like a new dawn is breaking and I'm free.
So Nong, ito na yung pinakihintay natin at pinakihintay ng ating mga applicants. Nong mapalad tayo. Kasabay ng induction ay anibersaryo ng ating region. Ang
Mabalasik
NCR 20 Mabalasik Eagles.
Yeah, this is just a start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
This is your Kuya Tata Boy of NCR 20. Mabuhay kayo lahat. I know you've been through a lot. Welcome to Mabalasik family. God bless you all. Once again, this is your Kuya Tata Boy. Mabuhay Agila.
Ako po si Kuya Duke Gonzales, President ng Haribon Titanium Eagles Club. Binabati ko po na congratulations po ang bagong club ng ORMEC sa pamumuno ni Kuya Bong. At saka sa mga bago nating magiging kuya, sana po panitriin natin ng laging mabait sa kapwa kuya. Maraming salamat po.
Feels like to be right on time. It's a new beginning. Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this feeling, but wait for the best part.
May I convey my warm greetings to United Rizaleños Mabalasik Eagles Club. Welcome to the fraternity. Take note that we should go back and consider the strength of unity. Let's build a strong team and move forward for a more prosperous organization.
I think we're finally waking up. These are the moments we live for.
Ako po si Police Major Marinel P. Pronda, ang Chief of Police po ng Pililla Municipal Police Station. Congratulations po sa inyong lahat at parati po kayong magkaroon ng serbisyo through your strong brotherhood.
Yeah, this is just the start. We won't forget this.
Happy Chartering Day for United Rizaleños Mabalasik Eagles Club under National Capital Region 20. Kung ay umasa sa inyong pagganap sa inyong tungkulin bilang Agila ay huwag niyong kalimutan na merong Diyos na nakakita sa lahat ng ginagawa. Muli, isang matikas na gabi sa ating lahat.
Magandang
gabi po sa inyo lahat, mga kuya, ate, bunso, friends of Eagle. Ako po'y bumabati sa ating mga kuya at ate from United Rizaleños, Mabalasin Eagles Club under National Capital Region 20, Governor David Jan Maceda. Please continue to spread the humility and gospel of Eagleism. Thank you very much. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang Mabalasin Region. Salamat po.